Today, we have an exciting scoop for you regarding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is gearing up to release a game-changing update for this flagship device in June. Brace yourselves for a monumental enhancement that will revolutionize your photography experience. The forthcoming update introduces a groundbreaking addition to the camera mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung has unlocked a brand new 2x button, providing unprecedented capabilities for capturing photos, portrait mode shots, and videos. This remarkable feature allows for a 2x crop of images at an impressive 50 megapixel resolution, guaranteeing an exceptional level of detail. Prepare to be astounded by the stunning results this innovation will produce. One of the most significant aspects of this update lies in its profound impact on portrait mode photography. The Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a main lens that excels in low-light conditions, capturing exquisite portrait shots. However, this lens is slightly wider than desired for that perfect portrait aesthetic. On the other hand, the 3x lens performs exceptionally well in ample lighting but falls short in low-light scenarios. Thankfully, Samsung has now introduced the ideal middle ground with the new 2x option. This addition strikes the perfect balance, providing users with natural-looking portrait shots in low-light situations. Finally, you can capture breathtaking portraits without compromising on lighting or image quality. In other exciting news, Samsung is preparing to host its highly anticipated Unpacked event. Rumors suggest that the event will showcase two much-anticipated devices, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5. Mark your calendars, as July 26 might be the day this unforgettable event unfolds, with a global release date slated for August 11. While leaks indicate minimal design changes for the Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5 promises to impress with a remarkable upgrade to its outer screen. Samsung has ingeniously maximized the usability of the device by incorporating a larger outer display. Additionally, both phones will be lighter than their predecessors, thanks to an innovative new hinge mechanism. The excitement surrounding these upcoming devices is palpable, and we cannot wait to witness the unrivaled user experiences they offer. Exciting times lie ahead for Samsung enthusiasts. The Galaxy S23 Ultra update brings forth a camera upgrade of epic proportions, unlocking unparalleled photographic potential. The enhanced video performance and HDR processing capabilities further solidify the device's position as a multimedia powerhouse. And, of course, with the Unpacked event just around the corner, Samsung enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and developments. Until next time, peace out.